video has a series of assignments for you to record yourself doing. So as you get further along in the piece and you're quicker at these exercises that we've been doing in the other videos, you're going to be able to shorten how much time it takes you to do those and then make your own videos that you can practice along with. So the first video you should make is probably that D major scale. Slower if you want to, but I think you're probably able to play the scale at that speed by now. The second video you should make is of yourself doing the cool bowing. Hooks. The down, down, up, up, right? Now, once you do that little bowing to show that you know it really well, you can put that into the scale. After you've made the scale video, you can make your D major arpeggio video, and maybe this time you're ready to do it without 6 on every note. So try it with 6 on every note first. D, F sharp, A, high D, A, F sharp, D. Now you can have fun doing it with only 3. See if you can do it with 3 with no pauses. And now maybe with no 3s on all the notes, but just 1 at a time. Your turn. My turn. Together. Good job. So that's your first group of videos you should make for yourself to check that you know all these techniques.